Hi, hello, my friends. Today we are basically going to be looking at some of the tools that can help us get better in Distrokid to see that we promote our music, to reach more people and have a bigger audience that we can cover up. So today we are basically going to be opening it up like that. Say you are already signed up with Distrokid, and if at all you are out there and you don't know what basically Distrokid does, you are in the middle of this tutorial or you have just come across this tutorial. We usually, as a musician, you need to have a distribution company that is going to be distributing your music videos and audios to streaming platforms. So a music distributor does not call in people to like stream for music, okay, or stream your music. Neither do they sell your music, or do they like they don't call in people to buy or stream your music. So for them, their role is to see that they get your music to streaming platforms. So with the streaming platforms, they call in people to stream to your music and also buy your music from those streaming platforms. Say Amazon. Someone can buy your album from Amazon. Say Spotify. Someone can buy your album from Spotify. Okay? But that someone cannot buy your album from TuneCore, neither does that person buy your album from Distrokid, because these are distribution companies. Some of them have gone to an extent of becoming publishers. Okay, so that is what you should keep into your mind, that you need to have a distribution company. Then that distribution company will be getting your music videos and music audios to basically streaming platforms. And I've told you that with streaming platforms, we have streaming platforms like, let me give you an example. If you are dealing with Distrokid, for me, I prefer Distrokid because it is simpler to use, it is easy to use, it is a little bit cheaper compared to the other distribution companies. So you should keep that in mind. You should try it out and see. So if at all you are out there and you would want to try Distrokid, then you happen to go to my channel, and within the links on my channel, let me show you something here. I have, so if you happen to go to my channel, that is Munya Scripts Lifestyle, then you scroll down, you'll be happening to click on any video on any of these videos that I already have on my channel. Then after clicking it, you go to the description section. Okay, to the description section, then you click this link. After clicking on that link, you'll be getting an offer. Okay, an offer whereby 7% of the amount that you would have paid has, like, it is completely cut off. So that is it. And on this channel, we are basically sharing a lot of stuff that would equip you with knowledge to earn some income and earn out of your talent. So these tutorials are basically free, but if you find them more than interesting and hopeful, please endeavor to support us through our PayPal account, that is nyenjeisaac95@gmail.com. Back to our Distrokid account. So with this account, I'm going to be trying to show you how to navigate some of the tools within Distrokid. So if at all I'm uploading a new song, okay, a new song into Distrokid, what do? So if I happen to come here, I click that arrow that is basically pointing down. So on clicking that, we are having upload music over upload video. So if at all I'm uploading music and I click there, so my internet is a little bit slow, but we shall go with it. So are you seeing that? So when we happen to like click on upload music, it gives us different platforms whereby our music is going to be what? Uploaded. So if at all I want to upload my music to all of these platforms plus Snapchat, I click and make sure that every box has been what? Checked. So if I told I want my single or album to be distributed to all the distribution, all to all the streaming platforms on Distrokid. So if I don't want, okay, like because with Snapchat, when you happen to select it, it tells you, do you own 100% of the publishing rights for this release? If no, so you make sure that if you don't own the 100% rights, then you basically have to say no, I don't. Okay, but if at all you do, you have to say yes, I do what? Because with the Snapchat, it only allows people to post there if at all they have all the 100% rights, okay, to that song. Are we together? So basically that is it. So these are the different platforms whereby Distrokid distributes your music for streaming. Then besides that, we can slope down, like if at all you happen to put in the information that is required. So these are basically extras. These down ones are basically extras, optional but awesome, meaning that these are extras. If at all you want them, you can pay for them, and if at all you don't want them, then you cannot, you are like not forced to use them, okay, when you're uploading your new single. So like the discovery pack, whereby add this single to major global databases that catalog and acknowledge music information, includes song recognition in millions of cars and electronics via Grace Note. Then registration with the sound scan used for Billboard charts. Okay. Then artist, track and album credits officially listed and linked in Jackster. Then audio fingerprinting for rights protection with SCR Cloud. Excuse me. So almost all of these ones are optional, and they are not going to be squeezing you anywhere that you never fulfilled this. Okay, so there are some that are basically crucial. If at all, like for AudioMac, you can, because it is also like a store or streaming platform whereby you can send it music through Distrokid, and if at all they happen to make any money, they send it back to you. Are you seeing that? Okay, so then the other thing is, when we happen to go to YouTube Content ID and YouTube Creator Music, for these ones, if at all you happen to be working on YouTube and your songs are being copied by other artists, or they are being used by other creators on YouTube and you are having your original composition, or they are like you are the one who created it. So this helps you benefit from it. So if at all these people are earning money, they have to be paying you part of that money because they are using your content. So if at all they are not doing that, then claim for your YouTube content ID and you'll happen to be receiving your royalties out of your music. Okay. So with those, then we can continue over to stats. So these stats are basically where you can see how you are basically performing. So with this, you can happen to choose iTunes plus Amazon, Spotify, and Apple what? Apple Music. Okay. So if at all I want to like know my performance, what I do, I make sure that here I've selected which site exactly do I want to do what. Okay. Which streaming platform do I want to like check. Okay. Are you seeing this? So if I happen to come here and I select Spotify, then after selecting that, what I do, all albums, no. So far they have selected Spotify. Then if I come here, then I select by artist Munye scripts, then I click get access.